waters a light chop. Chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then
Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! Oh my gosh, it's a 3, 2, 1, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
This is a weekly test of the NOAA radio.
Oh, channel 2! Channel 2!
During potentially dangerous weather situations. This is a weekly test of automatically activated weather hazards for the Florida Panhandle, Alabama, Southwest, and South Central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-desert day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings.
That is amazing!
Southeast Alabama, the Southwest, and warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated. Weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and an emergency alert system for the warning area service by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. The forecast for the local area from Swampy River to Appalachian Coast, Florida, extending from 20 to 30 nautical miles. Coastal waters from coastal waters from Mexico East to Appalachicola, up to 20 nautical miles.
Alright, let's analyze what went off here. Okay. The 1630B went off. Not B, D. Okay, Oh, you went off. Okay. The version 5 went off. The 1630B went off. WX500 went off. 996 went off. Version 474-200 went off. EAR 10 went off. 2003-261 went off. 254 went off. 382 went off. 04261 went off. FR100 went off, but then it died. 521 went off. This didn't go off. None of the 100s went off, sadly. Okay. 67 went off. 251 went off. You didn't go off. This thing decoded it for a 6-hour event. So this, the 258 went off, and the YEAR10 went off. Okay, and today I was joined by.
I've got to start back on high level.
Today I was joined by. Today I was joined by.
SBC Tallahassee.
And I'm gonna end the video because yes, we